In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep the same face in Magnific AI Desktop. First, open Magnific and head into the app. On the left sidebar, click Video Generator to start a new project. Begin by choosing a model. For consistent identity, select an option that handles photoreal faces well. If that's available, this sets the foundation for accuracy. Next, open the References section. This is where you lock the identity. Click Start Image, then Upload Media, and add it. Use a clear, well-lit, front-facing photo of the person you want to keep consistent. Avoid heavy filters, extreme angles, or motion blur. Sharp eyes and neutral light make it easier for the model to understand the face. Now set the end image. Click End Image, choose Upload Media again, and add it. Use the same person here to reinforce identity from the first frame to the last. You can repeat the same photo or pick a very similar shot where the face is fully visible. Matching framing and lighting helps the features stay stable across the clip. Type your prompt in the description box. Explain the motion, setting, and style you want, but avoid instructions that change age, gender, or facial structure. Keep it consistent with your references, and, if helpful, say to maintain the same person. So the model prioritizes identity over stylistic changes that might alter the face. Choose the duration that fits your idea. Shorter clips usually preserve facial details more tightly, while longer ones rely even more on those start and end images. Select your layout or aspect ratio next portrait for mobile, landscape for widescreen, so the face stays framed where you want attention. Decide whether you want audio. You can toggle background sound on or off here, depending on whether you'll add music or voiceover later. When everything looks good, adjust that audio switch as needed and click Generate. Magnific will process your inputs and create a clip that keeps the same face from start to finish. And that's the full workflow for reliable, consistent identity in your videos.